Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So I'm here with my beautiful sister-in-law. I'm here to glam up her face so she goes for our wedding. So first things first, I cleaned up her face with my wipes. Then I'm using my Maron skin prep to prep her face. Okay, stop the production of oil. Then next I'm using my got to be glue to set or prep her eyebrows. Then I'll moisturize the under part of her eyes, her chin, her forehead with my metics moisture potion. After that, I'm going to use my Stay Matte Primer from Rimmel to prime her nose. Then for foundation, I'm using my V Beauty foundation, the Total Coverage Matte Foundation in V Chestnut. Then I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend in that foundation onto her skin. As you guys can see, she's brown skin and this foundation is also brown as well. Then for concealer, I'm using this DK concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm going to highlight her under eyes, her chin, her forehead, her nose, her cupid bow, and I'm just going to blend everything. So to set her under eyes, I'm going to be using this brown shade of powder from my V Beauty 12 color powder palette. I'm just going to put that all over the areas that I highlighted. So after that, I'm going to go into this deep brown shade from the same palette to bronze up her face. Right now, I'm setting the rest of her face with this brown powder shade. To set her under eyes, I'm going to be using my RCMA setting powder. I'm just going to set all the areas that I highlighted as well. Then right now I'm doing the reverse contour. Then I'm going to blend all of that powder from her face. After that, moving on to my favorite part, I'm going to apply this orange blush on top of her cheeks where I have my contour. That is on top of my contour. Then I'm going to bronzer or highlighter. I'm going to highlight her nose, her cupid bow, her cheek. There's no doubt, gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere. What's that on there? You drunk, right? Shit, drunk. So guys, you guys can tell that my client slash my beautiful sister-in-law was talking when I was doing her eyebrows. You should never do that. Please never talk when your makeup artist is doing your brows because you're just going to frustrate her. So as you guys can see, to highlight her brow bone, I used a lighter shade of concealer, something that is like one step lighter than her normal shade. then a darker shade of concealer to clean up the beginning of her brows. Right now I'm blending the concealer that I have all over her eyes, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye quickly. I'll prep her eyes with the concealer that I dragged down from her brow bone area as well. Then I'm going to move right ahead into eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this light brown shade from my V Beauty palette and put that onto the contour area of her eyes. So as you can see, I'm just patting in lightly because I don't want too much product to be on her eyes. After that, I'm going to go into this orange color from my blush palette and try to blend in the harsh lines that I had from the light brown shade of powder that I used. Right now I'm applying this gold color from this palette. Guys, my eyeshadow palettes are so old, like I've had them for a very long time, so I've basically just forgotten their names, and some of them the names have wiped out, but I just showed you guys the gold I was using. So I placed that onto the middle part of her eyelid. Then right now I'm using my black gel liner to line her eyes. I have basically fallen out of love with wing liners.
Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, on it fun. Oh, right. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. I said just being a cosplay, look at carry my own.
So to spice up the look, I'm using this gold glitter from this glitter palette, and I'm just going to pat onto her eyelids. I love this glitter because I don't need to use glitter glue. As you guys can see, I'm just taking it from the palette and applying it on her eyes, and the application is very easy. Moving on to her lips, I'm using this brown lip stain from Ferrarucci and using my lip brush to outline her lips first. Then I'll go into this pink shade of lipstick from the same Ferrarucci palette. Ferrarucci has very beautiful lip palettes. Then I'll blend in those two colors together. Then after that, go into my clear gloss from Iman and go ahead to apply her lashes, spray her face, and that's basically it for this video, guys. Okay, if you enjoyed this look, if you love this look, let me know in the comment section down below and tell me what you think about this look as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. She looks so pretty. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.
That I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I'm doing